We've been IMing that led to texting. Tonight he wants to step it all the way up to video chat.
Hey, is that the one from Japanese? No. Japanese.
Come on, you do it, huh?
Joanne. Nah, you do it.
Me?
Give it back to me, alright?
You know what?
Where are you at, Mom? Don't bother her.
Alright, there we go. Brand new. Brand new. Look at that. Now, when you're a big girl, this is where you're going to go potty. Now just make sure the toilet seat is down so you don't fall in. Hopefully, you only make that mistake once. Well, unless you're PJ, and it's many, many times. You know, I'm going to let you in on a little secret.
Excuse me!